Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear young brothers and sisters, listen to me and listen carefully. We live in a world obsessed with filters, followers, brands and backgrounds. A world where your worth is measured by your skin tone, your surname, your shoes and your social status. But today, I stand before you to break this illusion. Allah is not impressed by your appearance. Allah is not impressed by your family name. Allah is not impressed by your bank balance. Allah is impressed by your heart, a heart that bows before Him, a heart that says no to sin when no one is watching, a heart that chooses integrity over popularity, a heart that stays soft in a harsh world. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made it crystal clear. Allah does not look at your bodies or your wealth, but He looks at your hearts and your actions. Young people, ask yourselves, what kind of heart am I building? Because, let me tell you this, you can fake confidence, you can fake success, you can fake happiness on social media, but you cannot fake your heart before Allah. The world rewards arrogance, Allah rewards humility. The world celebrates ego, Allah honors sincerity. The world applauds the loudest voice, Allah elevates the purest heart. Never look down on someone because they are poor, simple or struggling. The one you ignore today may stand closer to Allah than you ever will. Remember this, a hoodie can cover a heart full of light. A dusty uniform can hide a soul destined for paradise. A silent believer may outweigh a famous sinner. The real battle, my friends, is not on your face. It is inside your chest. Clean your heart before you decorate your profile. Fix your intentions before you chase validation. Build character before you build a brand. Because on the day of judgment, your followers will not stand with you. Your likes will not save you. Your status will not speak for you. Only one thing will matter. What kind of heart did you bring to Allah? So, rise with humility, walk with purpose, guard your heart. And remember, Allah is watching your heart, even when the world is watching your face. O Allah, shape our hearts with sincerity. Strengthen us with taqwa and make us a generation that you are pleased with. Ameen.